Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here and welcome any newcomers. Today I am sharing a flip through of this pretty pink journal. And yeah, so it's just I was just playing with things and I need to do some Etsy restock. I've got to keep my stock going, right? So I had this rather interesting loose weave fabric. So I just made a long tie for the closure, and you'll see where this comes from, but we've got a built-in bookmark. So I had a little fun with some lace and layers and sewing, and I did a lot of different things with this one, really. Um, Single signature, and it sits pretty flat. So, but it's ready for more embellishments. So the idea here is to create, this one was to create a journal for somebody else to have fun with, but I put in some nice embellishments, some nice ephemera pieces. So there's some tags throughout. I did some stenciling, sewing. So yeah, lots of details in this one. Some little bits of lace, some of my painted paper, just some things that I had around that seemed to fit the theme nicely. A few stickers here and there, stenciling, a variety of paper, some of my tea dyed, a little something in a couple envelopes. And what I did with the envelopes is I hinged two envelopes with some of the fabric. So they're very loose, easy to get into. This is some origami paper. It matched the colors and just looked really nice, so in it goes. And I had this big doily, so I folded it in half and sewed that in and put a little doily in it. Oh, yes. And so when I stitched it in, this is 5-hole pamphlet stitch, I left nice long tails, really long thread, so that I could put some beads on it and it could act as a bookmark. And on this side of the envelope, just a nice journaling page. I have some fun cards in my stash, so it's fun to leave those in. I took one of those origami papers and just made a cute envelope. I had a lot of threads from raveling this, so that's really fun. Do a little something with that. All right. So, yeah, this is a very pink themed journal. So, I hope you like it, and maybe there's an idea or two in here that was interesting to you. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching. And this will be in my Etsy shop as of this video. Okay, bye for now.